Yo, Philly 254 living life. Back at it. So today we're looking at and I may get the name wrong, pronunciation wrong, Relohas protective case for the Steam Deck. Is it a buy or is it a pass? We're about to find out. But real fast, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that little notification bell. Share the video, like the video, comment. You know how it is. Do your due diligence. But in the meantime, let's get back at it. So the Relohas protective case for the Steam Deck. So here's the thing. When you want to purchase this guy, there's two versions of it. There's just the case itself, the basic case itself, and then there's a kit which comes with everything the basic case that the case itself comes with, but also you get a screen protector. So that one costs, it depends on the color you get, between $20 and $25. All right. So again, this one I just got the regular one, just the regular case, didn't get the kit. Costs $15.99. So what do you get in the box? It's real simple. Here's the box you get. Basic. And what you get is basically the case. You get, so I already took most of them off, but little texture stickers for your little touchpad or whatnot. And also on the back, I didn't put them all on, just so you can see what they look like. They go on the back as well. Little buttons on the back. You get covers for your sticks. And of course, it does come with, moving everything out the way, a little stand. Now, this stand does not connect to the case, so it's not like, for example, the Benzicap case. It has a built-in stand. Now, this guy right here, it's not built in, so you got to keep track of it. So, now, I mean, if you got a dock, you really don't need it, but it's cool. It's cool that it has it, right? So, why does it not connect to the case like the Benzicap one? Well, the case itself is just all rubber, super soft, stretchy material. It's kind of balled up in a little box here. When you get it, you kind of just take it out, stretch it around the device itself, and then you're good to go. All the cutouts look like they are in the right spots. As you can see, everything's good. Steam, little settings button, quick settings button. And of course the vents are all good, speakers, and the vents are all good to go. So they're all cut out perfectly nice. Ports or whatnot, all good to go. How does it feel? Well, I kind of like it. It's that smooth. It's kind of like that, obviously it's rubber. So it's kind of got that smooth feel. The little grippies does have a little texture to it. Not a lot, not as much as like the Benzicap one. But since the case itself is already kind of rubbery, you kind of got a little texture feeling to it. So I kind of like it. So it feels good. What the part I do like, it does come with the little covers. And you can just take them off, put them back on. I'm not going to put that one on right now. Take it off, put it back on at your leisure. So it's totally a thing. I would say the coolest part, well, I won't say the coolest part, but neat, is the actual stand itself. Let me put it up. All you really got to do, you get it, and you just pull it up. Get to where you want. Sit it down. Set the case on top. And you're in there like swimwear, So, again, if you have a dock, you really don't need it, But it's cool that they gave it to you, but it's, as far as portability, it's something extra you got to keep up with. So, that's up to you. That's totally up to you. So, would I give it a pass or a buy? It depends on what you want. Your preferences. For example, the Benzicap case, it does have some flexy a little bit around the side, so you can kind of fit it on there. But for the most part, it's pretty hard, right? And it has a built-in stand on it. So, if that's kind of your jam, you want something built in, something more of a hard plastic, it's cool. But that's all you get. It's just this case. This one does kind of give you some extra things, for your bang for your buck. And of course, if you buy the kit, you get the screen protector, so the glass screen protector. So, and of course, so that's always a good thing. One thing I will say is the Benzicap one, its price is it's either $19.99 or $23.99, depending on what colors you get. The black is $19.99. I think they have a white one or a pearl. I don't know what you want to call it. It's $23.99. The Relohas case has a variety of colors, a whole lot, camouflages, different colors, whatnot. So that's why the price kind of has a bit of a range on it as far as the kits go, because the kits, depending on what color you get, is what the price is going to be, you know. But from what I could tell, the other colors are pretty much $15.99. Of course, I just went with jet black because it's cool. It's no big thing to me. But it does have a larger variety of colors if you're looking for, to kind of make your Steam Deck stand out. This would definitely be the one for you. So what would I choose? I'll be honest with you. Since I have both, I'm probably gonna mix. I actually kind of like the hard plastic feel versus the softer rubber kind of thing going on here. But I'm digging the little caps and the little covers and whatnot. So that's definitely a thing. So I would definitely say, for me personally, I'm a fan of the Benza cap, but I do like all the extras that this one comes with. Of course, I had got the kit. I would have also gotten the actual screen protector as well. So that's definitely a plus in itself. But I'm not a huge fan of having to carry this along. If I didn't have a dock, this would be like an extra thing that I got to keep carrying along with me, which I may or may not want to do, which, knowing me, I'm not going to want to do. So, like I said, the hard case actually has, since it's a hard case, it has this stand built in on it, so that makes it a plus for me. So, pass or buy? I would say if that's what you're looking for, I'll say it's a buy. I'll say it's definitely a buy, depending on what you're looking for exactly. But if this is kind of your style of case you like, and if you like variety, this is definitely a buy. This is definitely a buy. So, anyway, as always, like, subscribe, do your due diligence, cruise through the playlist, do your thing, and we out.